US crude and net gas both have given a good bullish move yesterday and now again trading at the critical resistance levels at 81.5 and net gas at 2.3 levels. So now what to expect today? Which position you should in order to profit trading crude oil, WTI and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into crude followed with net gas. Watch till the end here. Let's have a look at the hourly charts first. On the hourly charts, see first of all it traded bearish here. It was looking down, but the most importantly, it failed to break past 79.4 support levels, which I mentioned yesterday in my evening analysis in the US session. That only below 79.4, you can expect that we are going to see the bears out there. It has retraced from there. A stronger bullish move is seen, and now is still trading in this bullish channel. But look at last two candles, flat top here, 81.6. And yes, 81.6 you can buy, but then again, on the upside, 82 and 82.6 is something you should watch out for. Beyond that, we are going to look at 84, 85 levels. This is the first part. So buy at 81.6 and expect it to rise more. At the same time, look at this higher lows, flat top is seen. Hence, any breakout below 81.2 levels, yes, these were the resistances which we had seen in the recent past. Hence, below 81.2, you can again sell and expect it to continue with the downward move. Below 81.2, 80.8, 80.5, and then $80 levels are going to be seen. The stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD trying to converge. It is in green right now. The RSI trading very near to the top there. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, now look at 2-hour charts, is consolidated within this zone for long and now trying to give a breakout. But look at this, the complete movement is still engulfed between the previous high. So be careful for 81.8, 82 zone, because beyond that certainly it is going to fly high. Right now consolidating here. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading near to the top. They are trading near to the highs there. Now look at 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, flat top, higher lows. Wait for it to give a breakout. Yes, you can sell here at 81.2, 80.8, 80.5. Very good support, and then $80 levels to be seen on the downside. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD has crossed over, trading with very little divergence. And see, this crossover has happened after a good long bearish chain there. The RSI is also trading very near to the highs, indicating slightly near to overbought levels. Now look at 4-hour charts. See, the moving averages are trading with divergence and are still bullish. $79 is something which is going to act as an important support. 79, 79.4, only below which further bearishness is going to be seen. See, first 79.8 and then 79.4 and then 79. Very, very strong support here. Now, yes, you can sell here for the day at 81.2, but then you have to wait for it to break past 80.4, 80.8, 80.4, 80, 79.8. See, 79.8, very good support. Below that, only 79.4 and then 79. If it breaks below 79, we are going to look forward to a very sharp drop, and that should be a gap filling exercise here. The stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour chart. The MACD on the 4-hour charts is again crossing over for a buy entry. RSI is trading very near to the top there. Now look at daily charts. On the daily charts, first thing is previous two candles were of retracement. The last, that is yesterday's candles, higher lows and higher highs and lower lows were seen. Now if you consider the pivot from 79.4 to 81.6, the pivot is at 80.5, and this is also a good support, and hence if you are taking a sell entry at 81.2, you should expect 80.8, 80.4 and then $80 levels, and only if it breaks below, further bearishness is going to be seen. The stochastic is looking upwards again. The MACD is still in green. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is trying to look upwards and show a little strength. Considering this, you can buy here at 81.6 and sell at 81.2. For this 40 cents, do not take any trade. On the upside, 82, 82.6, and then beyond that, 83.5, 84 and 85 levels are the targets. It can continue to fly on the upside. If it stays above 82.6 level, more bullishness is going to be seen. On the downside, you can sell here at 81.2, and as I said, till 79, stop loss should be a trailing stop loss, and at least put the stop loss at cost so that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profit. Now let's have a look at net gas, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 17th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at net gas. Now see net gas here getting the resistance at 2.32. This is clear here, 2.3, 2.32 zone. Very strong resistance exists here. We can find out from this movement and this movement. So for now it appears, in fact, you can buy at 2.31 but then expect 2.325, and then beyond that only we can see it flying for 2.35 and plus levels. At the same time on the downside, see, we have seen it consolidating here till 2.28 level for a while and before giving a breakout, and hence this is the only level below which you can expect a drop. However, 2.26, 2.24 and 2.22 levels are the every 20 you can say 2 cents movement, there is going to be a good support, and hence you have to put a trailing stop loss with a 2 cent trailing stop loss. The stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is crossing over for a sell. RSI flat, and if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts it is showing a reversal here. This is signal a reversal indication. Flat top 2.31 now trying to break. Possibly once it breaks below 2.28, further bearishness is going to be seen. You can take your trades below 2.28 only. Further we can expect 2.26, 24 and 22, and then below that it is going to break strongly on the downside. Stochastic overbought. MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI very near to the highs. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts to flat top and trying to drop. So 2.29, 2.28, yes, you can sell here too, but then be cautious till 2.2 levels. Stochastic overbought. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI trading flat near to the highs. Look at 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, it is signaling a reversal with the flat top. I'll wait for the next candle. Yes, 2.29 itself you can sell, but be cautious and watchful for 2.28, 2.25, 26 zone, and then 2.2 levels. MACD bullish. RSI trading very near to the highs. Now look at the daily charts. Now if you look at the daily chart, see the previous few candles, it is trying to create a channel of its own. Highs now at around 2.34 levels, 2.35 levels, very strong resistance. And see the previous candle, the yesterday's candle had a long tail and a smaller wick, and see the highs are also connected, which means that for the day these are going to remain a very important level. And on the downside the support is going to come till towards 2.2. Very strong support exists there at 2.2. Stochastic back to overbought. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is at comfortable zone. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.29, but then expect 2.28, 2.26, 2.24 and 2.2 as a very good support. Only below 2.2 it should be considered for a bearish move. At the same time, you can buy here at 2.32 and expect 2.34, 35 first resistance, and then it is going to fly for 2.4 and plus level. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training query. Join my signals channel. Reach out. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.